Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel InfoRosan and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check the free certification course provided by the Atlassian. And friend, you will also get the certificate of completion. You can see here the sample certificates. And friend, this course is absolutely free. You did not have to pay any money. And whether you are the college going student, working professionals or the freshers, you can take this course. So friend, course topic you can see here, Trello fundamentals. So friend, if you don't know about the Trello software, so Trello software is used to visualize the various types of activities and empowers your team to manage any type of project. And friend, also various types of workflow or task tracking. You can add files, checklist, or even automate your dashboards and customize it all for how your team works best. So friend, in simple words, Trello software will help you to organize your work. So we are going to check all the details of how to do the registration and what types of things you will learn in this course. So friend, you can see here we are at the official page of the Atlassian University. And friend, I have given the link in the video description box. So let's check about this course. So friend, as I have told earlier that it is absolutely free, and you can also see here the free learning path for the Trello fundamentals. And friend, you can see here the total duration required for this fundamental course is 1.5 hours and it is for the beginner level. So let's check the other details about this course. So friend, you can see here this course is designed for the new Trello users, and these self-paced learner lessons cover all the basics of how to use Trello. And then you will learn the important terms and product features like boards, lists, and cards. So you will learn like what is the Trello, what is the board, what is the cards, and what are the various types of list. So these are things you will learn, and then at the end you will also practice it with the practical examples. So in the next section, you can see you will learn regarding the how Trello working. So you can see, yes, you will learn how to start organizing and managing your work in Trello, and you will get a familiar with the Trello interface, so you can collaborate with your teammates and keep your cards organized. So you can see here, you will get the most out of the cards and how to collaborate in Trello with your team members. Then again, you will get the one practical sessions in which you do the practice problems. So in the next sections, you can see you will learn regarding the Trello's best practices. Like you will discover expert tips and practices to get the most out of Trello. You will learn how to use Trello and its unique features to speed up your work processes. And you can improve your productivity and enhance your Trello experience. So friend, once you complete all these three modules, at the end, you have to do the one fundamental assessment. So you can see here, earn an Atlassian University badge by scoring 80% or better on these assessments. And friend, all these fundamentals Trello question will be in the form of the MCQs, and you can see here the time duration is given, that is 45 minutes. So you have to pass and secure at least 80% to get this certificates. So friend, you can see here you will get this type of certificate, and you can use this certificate in your LinkedIn profile. You can also use this certificate in your resume as an extra activity, and so that your profile becomes stronger as compared to other people. So friend, we are going to check the how you will do the registration process. So before going to check the registration process, friend, if you are not subscribed our channel InfoRosan yet, please subscribe. We are making the various types of free courses, job and internship opportunities, and technology related videos. So please subscribe our channel InfoRosan, and also please share this video with your friends in your network so that everyone can get the advantage of this free certification. So friend, once you open the link which I have given in the video description box, then you will come to this page. And once you come, then you can see here one button is given, that is get started. You can see here. You have to simply click on that, and once you click, then you will come to this new page. So you can see login with Atlassian. So you have to click on that, And after that, friend, you can see multiple options are given for the login. So either you can use your email ID and click on this continue, or you can use the some other sources for the login like Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack. So these are the things is given. So you do this registration process. As I have completed this registration process, so let's check what the dashboards look like. So friend, once you add this course in your profile, so you can see here small you can see box is given. What is a Trello? So you can see from here you can start this course. So friend, once you click on this resume, then you will be redirected to the course. So you can see here, this is the course window is given. So you can complete this course by reading, or also you can listen and doing some practical problems. And after completing this, friend, you will get the certificates. So please complete it and get the certificates. And if you have any query regarding this content, friend, please comment down the video. We are going to check it and resolve your queries. And friend, please subscribe InfoOcean. Thank you.